How to log out of your account in the Reddit app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's first of all on your phone, head over to the Reddit app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to log out of your account, you need to go to your profile settings. Here in this home page, at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on this. You will see a pop-up like this. From here, select this profile option. It will take you to your profile page like this. Now, in order to log out of your account, at the top you can see your profile username. Tap on this drop down list. It will show you the current account that you are logged in right now. And in the right hand side you can see the arrow icon. Tap on this. Now it will give you the option to log out. You can simply tap on log out. And that's how you can easily log out of your account in Reddit app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.